guys, today I'll be telling you 3 ways how to make your slime more stretchy. So, first, if your slime rips a lot, then I'll give you a very simple way to make it normal. There are 2 ways. First way is adding some lotion. I added about this much. Let me show you guys. I added about like this much, and now you mix it, and let me mix it. And this is how it is supposed to work. It became very stretchy, but your slime can get a little bit too sticky if you add a lot. So if your slime is too sticky, you can just add some more activator. And the second way is dropping your slime in some hot water for like 2 hours or maybe 1 hour, and it will become nice and stretchy. And it can also become sticky, so add some more activator. If your slime gets sticky, just add some activator. And I have 4 ways. So the first 2 ways I already told you. The third way is to add glycerine into it. Any glycerine is okay, vegetable glycerine, any type of glycerine. And the last way is to take a container, keep your slime in it, and then keep it in the sun for a week, and then it should become sticky, and then you can add your activator. Or if you want your slime to not be sticky, you can just keep it for 5 days or 3 days near the sun. And guys, this is not the only slime I made. I made like a lot, and this is the half of it. Let me show you the whole slime. Here is the other part of slime. This has also gone rippy, like this one was before, but now it's so good. This has gone very rippy. It's too rippy. So